using M2C Racings conversion kit, which is called the Jackhammr. I'm gonna try a different mega jump here and see if that's even possible. I was up at that edge over there and it seems quite good, but I'm doing that. Whew. Okay guys, it seems quite good here. So, the angle seems pretty decent. And there's a long way down there. Next, if the car survives, which I hope, probably has a little bit of side and towards wind, but I'm gonna go for that. Then we have another huge summit over there. See if I can correct this one a little bit more. And go for it, you know, no one's remember. Okay, so just, yeah, that's gonna be perfect, guys. Sadly, I haven't fixed the fan yet with this, and I definitely don't wanna. It's quite strong wind over here, so I'd say it comes, yeah, directly towards. Yeah, that could be a good. Just gonna do some small test. I'm gonna go in here. Okay, so we don't have too much wind now. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, so we didn't manage to make it to the bottom. I'm gonna wait here for a little while, see if it cools down a bit. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. No one's remember. Yeah. Made it again. You know what to say. Third time. Okay, so we have a massive, as you can see at the shadow. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Can't succeed every time. Perfect jump. Okay guys, so I'm actually done with this one. I'm super pleased. Third. Everything seems straight. Yeah, it's the fan. I know guys, I know. So I'm just gonna shut it down. A success. Next is that one, and if it survives, I'm gonna go for that one over there. Speak to you soon. Okay guys, next jump location. This runner-up looks a tons better than last time, but I have some small bumps at the bottom, but I should be able to pick up some speed to clear it down to the abyss, but I'm actually not sure. Time will tell them, you know. No one's remember every tower. Okay, so let's go. Oh. I'm walking 500 miles. It's quite high actually. Sorry about the wind guys. Nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna go for one more. Just wanted to. The liner was clean, but it's bumped over, so we're just gonna see. It would be fun to try that one out. I'm gonna go up and see how it looks. Oh, It looks so smooth down here. The problem is I don't want to climb. If it was even smoother, I probably would be able to jump up. Dust anyone? Ooh. That was pretty cool. Oh, that slap. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for one more jump. See if I'm able to take the landing. Well, at least I got some exercise. Well needed. You fat F. Well, see what we can do again. Yep. Maybe we should move over here. Oh Jesus, I miscalculated that. Well, I'm not gonna be able to jump up here, that's for sure. Bugger, that's for sure. Well guys, I'm gonna aim for the other one and see if that's possible. Speak soon. So guys, I'm at the backside, so to speak. I hope this is the right way, the path or road or whatever you want to call it. I don't want to drive up here. Just park down there and see old conveyor belt machines. On a sandstone production over here. Small trailers. That looks pretty decent. I hope this is the right way. More machines, old ones. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but I'm trying to point there, and it's jumped down to the bottom there. See if this is even possible. I hope I'm not low on the packs. I can actually drive this way. This is serious fight. Might even be able to leave it. Not sure. But it could be done. No, that not. I know it. I'm clear all the way there. Need much work here. What should I? It's way too long distance. I see what I do here. Okay, F it. I'm going for it. I tried to smooth it out a little bit here. I don't have any high hopes to clear small bikes down there. Because there's no shark's way. I mean, and it's 100% side wind, so who knows? It's pretty smooth up here, so I might be able to get some speed. Just gonna try it for. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Either you succeed or you don't. The only thing I don't like is the wind. I don't care about the jumps, you can always be able to clear it or land good or straight. Okay, so here we go. Well, that was a miss. Jumping here. See if I can drive it up and go for it again. I really hope so. That would be awesome. Yeah. It's It's a long way down, but who cares? We definitely made it. I will probably not be able to go, maybe, but you know, it's bumpy. If I can drive this sucker up again. That was a good one, that was a perfect. Just a little bit more speed and I would probably make it. You know, third time, no one remembers, you know, such a lot of side winds. No, not even close. Not even close. Should we go for one more? Yep, we definitely should. But normally you always skip the last jump because that's the one you always fail with. Maybe we could change that today. I hope so. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm super pleased. Can't ask for more. The car is absolutely an animal, if you ask me. I'm gonna drive it up here and I'm gonna do a quickie break it down here, if that's okay with you guys. And I'm not gonna cut it. You're gonna see it instant, directly here. So hope you can see anything. The fan has left the building, but that's not strange. As you can see, the top brace is severely bent. Ooh. Okay, so we have some issues here. The motor is quite hot. We have snapped the mount, the rear support. Anyway, just gonna do that and that. So Traxxas Sledge with M2C Racing conversion kit, M2C Jackhammr. Chassis still intact, severely scratched. You get 775 aluminum T6, top brace, towers, ZRS shocks with O-ring pistons. I think I was 900 on each corner, if I'm not wrong. Hard spring from Traxxas, the M2C Racing EC plate, the out drives, front and rear, the beefier rear dog bones, beefed up center shafts, top plate, motor mount, extended hex, Thunder Roost fan, Max 6, 4985, 1650, not sure about gearing, 18 maybe, and also the awesome body mounts, running the CNC Traxxas optional ring gear and pinion front rear. I think 200k 10 60 or 80, I really don't remember. Sledgehammer tires, proline body, Fataba radio, Gen 6 6000 6s brick. Okay, so the plastic has left the building. Savux 1230, and this one is, there's no problem to fix this, you just, and we have a go like new. But this is something I need to go over, the mount. Anyway, thanks for watching, enjoy, like, subscribe, whatever you want. Have a superb weekend. Bye bye.